Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add account in Changelly. So Changelly actually lets you use the website as it is, but if you want an account, right, for example right here we can see the history and we can get the whole transaction history, we can download CSV files, things like that. Then what you just need to go ahead and do is come to changelly.com, and right now I'm not logged into this browser. What you just do is come at the top right, you click on this profile icon, okay, and it will redirect you right here. It will prompt you to create an account. You can either create one with your email or you can continue with Google, which is what I'm going to do. I'll choose Google, and then they'll ask you to choose your Google account you want to use. I'll use this one right here. They'll ask you to go ahead and allow some permissions to access your information. Hit continue right here. Just give them the permissions. And basically after that, your account has been created. You can go ahead and make your exchanges, your buys, your sells, and all your data will be synced. Okay, your logins will be saved, things like that. Really easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.